Hi, this is Rachelle with Scrapcraftastic, and I'm going to do my catch-all planner spread for the first week of December, December 2nd through the 8th. So I'm using this Art Junior notebook with silver metal discs from the Happy Planner. I did do a little decorating in the front pocket. It's not in keeping with the aesthetic that I want for this planner, but I like these die cuts, so I put them in here, and hopefully I can tie them in with the overall look I'm going for. This is my Christmas countdown, and I used die cuts that are available on my website and turn those into stickers. The countdown is actually a digital freebie over on my website at scrapcraftastic.com. We are past Black Friday, but I did actually fill in my pages and do a little shopping. So let's get to where I want to start. So this is what I have so far from last week, the week of Thanksgiving. And so I've decided not to use the note paper this week. I did a version that was horizontal using just note paper, and then I did a version that was vertical using just note paper. So I think this week I want to go back to using my printable inserts that are the week on 2 pages. And this is half letter size, and also I want to show this. If you are in the group, you have access to the digital December monthly, and this is what this looks like. So you get the whole month of December, and then a 2020 year at a glance. And then this is also available on my website now too. Not all the sizes are available, but the larger sizes are. And this is a dated printable for the whole year, and in between each month you have 2 dot grid pages, so that way you can stick your divider in here and put a tab on it for January, February, March, for all 12 months, and divide your months up that way if you want. I also have this version, which I just took out, that is where the months are just back to back, so there's no space in between. So both of those are available on the website at scrapcraftastic.com if you're interested. So I'm not sure I'm going to keep that in there, but this is where we are now. So let's move on. I've already decided that this first week of December is going to be my pink week. I have the stickers that I got from Coco's Vision, and then also I have this weekend banner from Stickerific that I've had on a sampler from I don't know how long ago, and I thought maybe I could use that, maybe. I don't have any Christmas pink washi tape. However, I do have these pink washies from Simply Gilded that I can use. And I have this one. I think this is from the Pink Room. And it's so pink, I'll probably need something to cut the pink, but we'll worry about that later. Let's see if there's a thin washi that we can use. Of course, we got, I don't think this is really pink. I think that's like, it's not really pink. I don't know what color that is. Okay, so to begin, I'm going to use some date covers from Crafting by the Pound. If you shop at Crafting by the Pound, you can use my code RACH15 for 15% off your order. Let's use this one. I'm going to just use the plain date covers because I want a script font if possible. See how that's going to work. I might have to do a little whiting out. Yep, I'm gonna do a little whiting out. Oops. Hopefully this will work. Seriously, I'm not good with the whiteout. And this is totally unnecessary. I just wanted a script font, so that's why I'm doing it. And I do have inserts on my website that have the script font, if that's what you want. Okie doke. So that changes the whole look of our layout. Let's go ahead and put down what I already know for this week. Let's put this up. And put down our doll. Let's get the doll first. I'm going to use a Coco's Vision doll. I'm going to use her because I don't have anything pink, but she's kind of neutral. She ties in the silver and she's got on a white top with gold shoes, so that kind of ties everything in. And she's going to go right down here on Sunday. Okay, so I'm gonna see what I can find in colorful boxes. Maybe I'll mix the silver and gold since it's Christmas, and I have appointments on Friday and Wednesday, so I like to use my boxes for that. I don't need a big one, but I'll use a bigger one for Wednesday. Papers keep getting stuck together. And then let's see if I can find a gold one for Friday. And I'm going to use these to kind of spruce those up a little bit. The poinsettias. I don't think I'm going to use that weekend sticker because that would be the only green, and that's not really the right color pink. So I'll skip that. And let me get to my ballet stickers. These boxes are from Made with Southern Love, and I showed my entire haul from Made with Southern Love in my last Wednesday's haul video, and I will link to it in the iCard up above. I think that's everything I want out of here. Back to our regular schedule. So we got early release on Wednesday. I doubt I have any pink ones left. Oh, I do, but let's go ahead and use a gray. These are stickers from my shop. So let's use these. This is a payday. Let's stick it right here. And this is a bill due, which I can pay bills on Friday. Then I do go to the post office on Monday. I gotta do ballet pickup on Wednesday. These are coming in handy. Perfect. If I can get it straight. Not flying anywhere, but I have some grocery shopping to do Thursday. I can stick my little Public sticker next to that. I didn't even know these were stuck behind there. Should have put them in the front. Can we use her? I won't use her this time. Next time. Let's use a little deco. I think we should skip the gold and go with the pink. Glad that came up easily. And put a little to-do sticker up there. Put my Public sticker down. Is that crooked? I need a to-buy list. That is what I need. Do I have a to-buy sticker? I think I need to start using these. I went ahead and put these on last week. I started the countdown. So let's get on to these. And I'm gonna stick this in this front pocket here, hopefully to remind me to use it. Let me go ahead and mark off the day here. Go ahead, mark that off. So countdowns are up to date. The last thing that I wanted to do, I think this is the last thing, is go through the doll stickers and see if there are any task based stickers that I want to use, or just any stickers in general. I think that she would be real cute. Popping her bubble gum right here. No? Yes. No. Just put a little paint now. This is going to be a true before the pen because I don't like to put my appointment times down and advertise that on the internet. So that's the main reason why I don't do that. And as of right now, I don't know what all I need to do for the week. So I'm just going to leave it blank. And if you want to see how the week turns out, be sure you're following me over on Instagram. And I usually post after the pens over there. And I will also post sometimes. And I'll also be posting them on the community tab here on YouTube. So this is where this goes. But I think we did good for our first week in pink. Still has a little bit of a Christmas feel, but it's pink, not traditional. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Also, make sure you're subscribed to the channel and hit the little gray bell so that you'll receive notification each time I upload a new video. Be sure to check the community tab and my stories for updates throughout the week. Also, check us out over on patreon.com/Scrapcraftastic for more exclusive content. If you have any comments or questions, please leave them below. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye!